Alright guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to be making a pencil. Without further ado, let's begin. Alright, let's begin. So what you can see what I'm pressing down here. So yeah, let's begin. Okay. So first let's add a cylinder. So delete this, Shift A, add a cylinder. Now stop everything. Don't touch anything yet. We're gonna go down here, click right here, and we're gonna lower the vertices right here to 6 right here. 6. If you're having a hard time, you can click right here like this. Okay, 6, so that is a hexagon. If you want it to be another shape, you can also do that, but a pencil usually I see is a hexagon, so we're gonna go with this. Okay, so now let's go into edit mode, scale it up, scale it, Shift Z, to have your desired dimensions. Yeah, okay. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna select the top face, extrude, and then loop cut right here. Select the top face, merge, add center, and then select the bottom loop right here. Go into a side view, front view, side view, okay. Side view. And then we're gonna scale it so that right here is a straight line. Now it might be hard to perfect, but we just gotta try. Okay, so now let's loop cut. So right here, usually I see pencils to be kind of round. It has a bevel, but first let's loop cut right here first. Okay, we're gonna loop cut on each side, put it in the middle, like this. The reason we're gonna do this is because we're gonna select this face right here, the middle, not the face, sorry, the vertices, the middle vertices, like this. And then we're gonna move it up on the Z like this. Perfect. Now we can also select these two, like this. Okay, sorry. Bevel, Control B. Let's lower it about this much. Select the top face and then move it up. Scale it down so that it's pointy again. And there we go. Okay, so now you're done beveling everything. Now let's add the colors. So go to material preview and then add a new color, and then this is gonna be the wooden part of the pencil. Okay, and then we're gonna select these two faces, F, these two, F. We're just gonna forge the faces. Okay, press the period on the numpad to be focused on your object. Okay, there we go. And here's the last face. Alright, now we can do the sides. So we're gonna select one, skip one, and select one. There should be 3 if you're doing a hexagon. Then we can add a new color like this. This can be any color you want, it's up to you. I'm gonna go with the standard red and click assign right here to assign the color onto it. Then you can lower the roughness to like 2, should be good. And as well as these as well, you can change it. I'm gonna change it to like yellow. I think yellow is pretty good. Okay, lower it to 2. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot to press assign. Don't forget to press assign. Okay, there we go. Now, last thing I forgot when we were modeling, down here, you should inset like this. We're gonna make the pencil part of the back. Then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna select the inner part, then scale it so that it's kind of like this. Maybe scale it a little bit more if you want it to be bigger or smaller. It's all up to you. Overall, about this much. Then we can select the top tip and the bottom as right here. Then we can add a new material, then lower it down, and then don't forget to press assign. And there we go. Last thing, we can shade smooth it and rotate it 90 degrees. Look from side view, GZ. Rotate a little bit. Sorry, I'm gonna scale it down. Okay, and add a plane or some final touches. Let's move it a little bit. Okay, there we go. So this is about it for this video. I plan it to be a little bit simple, so yeah, that's why it's short. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye. Alright guys, welcome back. What is that sound? Okay.